Hello and welcome back po sa ating channel. As you see on the title, gagawa tayo ng face mask. So, there are different sizes. For this white, mas malaki siya. Mas kinamitan ko siya ng mas malaking crochet hook. But all threads are the same. Yung Monaco mercerized pa rin ang gamit ko. This one is a different stitch. Double crochet lang siya, normal. For this two, double crochet pero sa back loop only. Ayan siya. So, yung white and yung gray, mas wider. So, it's just a matter of how you stitch. Kung medyo maluwag kang mag-stitch or medyo masikip kang mag-stitch. And pag nagbago ka ng crochet hook. Itong blue, mas maliit if you would notice. Ayan, ang sizes natin. Pinakamalaki yung gray and then white, and pinakamaliit yung blue. With the blue, ang ginamit ko dito is 3mm crochet hook. Pero all are made of this nautal na. Itong crochet cotton naman ako na mercerized. So, ito rin ang gagamitin ko for this demonstration. And we're going to use the 3mm crochet hook. Then we have our scissors and of course our needle. So to start off, kinuha ko yung isang thread sa gitna and then yung nasa labas. Kasi we're going to use double pull again. Gawa lang tayo ng slip knot. This is how I make my slip knot. And then chain 48. So I have chained 48. Add 1 chain. So single crochet on the second chain from the hook. And then single crochet on the next 7 chains. Total of 8 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. On the next 3 chains, we're going to make 3 half double crochet. So 1 half double crochet on the next chain. 1 half double crochet on the second one. And yung pangatlo, half double crochet ulit. 8 single crochet, and then 3 half double crochet. And then on the next 26 chains, we're going to make double crochet. So 26 double crochets on the next one. So, nagawa na natin yung 26 double crochet. And then, sa next ulit, we're going to do the same thing dito sa umpisa. So, babalik na rin lang natin. So, after ng double crochet, tatlong half double crochet. And then, kung sa umpisa, nag-8 single crochet tayo. Dun sa dulo, ganun din, 8 single crochet din. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Natapos na natin ang ating first row. Then you have to turn your project. And hindi ako mag-chain 1. Pero magsi-single crochet agad ako doon sa first. I will show you. Single crochet dun sa first chain dito. Mas maganda kasi yung edge pag walang chain 1. So, ganun ulit. 8 single crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Medyo may dugtong yung ating, so we have to cut this one. May dugtong yung ating yarn. Next is tatlong half double crochet. And then 26 double crochet ulit. The same pattern yung gagawin natin hanggang ma-reach nyo yung gusto nyong length. Yung width, yung lapad ng mask. 26 double crochet again on the next 26 double crochets below. So, natapos ko na ulit yung 26 double crochet and now we're going to do the 3 half double crochet. And then, of course, yung ating 8 single crochet. don't forget your last stitch kasi hindi siya mapapantay. And we're going to make a turn. And then, single crochet agad dun sa dulo. Hindi ako nag-chain 1. So, count it as 1 na yun. And then, this will be our second. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that will be your pattern. 8 single crochet, 3 half double crochet, and then 26 double crochet, and then before reaching the end, 3 half double crochet, and 8 single crochet again. And then you have to make a turn and then single crochet agad dun sa first chain. So we make a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 rows lahat. Kung gusto niyo yung gagawa kayo ng mas malapad, then mag-a-add na lang kayo ng row. So ito siya. Ito yung nasa tenga.